Now you can see it's looking pretty nice. I know that we have been cool, but temperature right now is still sitting pretty good. We're at 32 degrees and a little bit of a light breeze at 6 miles per hour, making for a feels-like temperature at 26. So it's not too shabby out there. We've got clouds that have made their way on in, and those are going to continue to build a bit as we head into the evening, likely going to be with us into the day tomorrow. Thankfully, though, not talking about any snow. That monster system that dropped nearly 3 feet of snow in northern Wisconsin, yeah, it's doing its thing again out over New England. There are portions of the mountains that could pick up nearly 30 inches of snow. So this monster just does not want to let up, but you can see it's targeting nearly the entire New England area. They've got a winter storm in effect until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So again, some places up to 30 inches again. Ridiculous. For us, though, it's looking pretty good. If you're traveling to the north, chances for snow upwards towards Minneapolis and, well, northern Wisconsin. It's winter for them up there. They always get multiple chances for snow. 46 is the high on the day tomorrow. 53 for Kansas City. Dodge City coming in at 61. Look at all that sunshine. We're going to be tapping into that for a while. Look to the north, though. Much cooler. Temperatures in the low to mid 30s if you're headed to the north. They are still socked in with snow, and that's going to keep them cooler for a while here. So looking at your day tomorrow, winds are going to pick up, and we see that around 10 to 20 miles an hour, starting off near freezing. And as you head out to lunch, that sun's going to be shining bright. Temperatures back up into the 40s. It is going to be feeling wonderful outside. And again, likely going to see some of that cloud cover out there tonight. See that stick around into tomorrow morning. Northwestern portions of the state starting off with sunshine. Clouds begin to move out, though, and a lot of us by lunchtime are talking about sunny skies, except for those extreme northeastern portions of the state. Even into Tuesday evening, we have got some pretty clear skies out there, and those are going to continue into Wednesday. So really looking at an absolutely beautiful week. And again, it is going to be a tad breezy tomorrow. Tonight, not as much. Temperatures staying up in the upper 20s again tomorrow. 46. That's 7 degrees above average. And I think we've earned it with what we've had lately. 37 for Algona, 37 for Decorah. Chances for 50 degrees for Lamoni with sunshine across nearly the entire state. And that 8-day forecast, man, this has got to be one of the most beautiful weeks we've had in a while. 48 on Wednesday, 49 on Thursday. We take a bit of a dip on Friday. But besides that, get out while the getting's good. Even though we don't see much for precipitation, temperatures will be dropping by next week. 29 on Monday, down to the low 20s on Tuesday.